On a green leaf, a caterpillar crawls. Weak, patient, it eats silently, gathering energy. If you push it aside, it may seem fragile, almost insignificant. But in its place, it accomplishes a lot. Until one day comes when it enters a small cocoon, a dark world. Inside, you see only a trapped, silent creature. But within, a miracle occurs. The caterpillar's body melts, breaking down and rebuilds itself piece by piece. Suddenly, from this cocoon, two wings emerge, spreading, with celestial colors never seen before. The caterpillar is no longer the same being. Its death marks a new beginning, so that our butterfly can travel thousands of kilometers without stopping, facing winds and rain. Did you know a monarch butterfly travels over 4,000 kilometers, a journey even humans would struggle with? The miracle doesn't stop there. Have you ever stared at a butterfly and wondered where those dazzling colors on its wings come from? You might think it's paint. Wrong. Butterfly wings contain no actual pigment like bird feathers or animal skin. What you see is an optical illusion. The wings are made of millions of microscopic scales. These scales have thin layers stacked upon each other. When light passes through these layers, it scatters, and each ray emerges as a different color, like a tiny rainbow on the butterfly's wing. The result? Colors that cannot fade. Even after the butterfly dies, its colors remain, not because of pigment, but because of its microscopic structure. Its natural CDs still reflect light. The purpose of these colors isn't just beauty. They send messages to attract mates or to warn predators. By manipulating light, the butterfly signals, "I'm poisonous, stay away." The butterfly is a work of art, not painted by brushes, but crafted by physics. Consider the electric eel. Deep in the ocean, how can a creature generate 600 volts of electricity without batteries, wires, or circuits? Its body contains thousands of tiny living batteries called electrocytes. Each has a small charge, but together they release a single, powerful strike, strong enough to knock down a horse, paralyze a crocodile, or kill silently. This is the electric eel. It doesn't just shock, it controls electricity. It hunts with precision in darkness, capable of 400 strikes per second. Each strike lasts only 2 milliseconds, but that's enough. One spark, and life stops. Humans discovered electricity only about 200 years ago. The eel has been using it for millions of years, not with machines, but pure biology. Now consider the polar camel. This first camel on Earth did not come from the desert as we imagine. The first camel was a polar camel, a creature of ice. It walked on snow, not sand. It lived in dark forests, not under blazing sun. Specifically in northern Canada, above the Arctic Circle. In 2013, researchers found its frozen remains in the tundra. Its DNA was very close to today's camels. Its wide feet prevented it from sinking into snow, and its eyes were designed to see in near total darkness. This desert camel we know today is only the latest chapter of a story that began in darkness, under snow-covered trees, on land now buried in permafrost. Even its original genes remain mysterious to science. Now let's dive into the depths of the ocean. In absolute darkness where no light reaches, lives the octopus. 8 arms, each with its own small brain. It calculates, learns, and remembers. Its body is soft, but remarkably intelligent. In seconds, it can change color to mimic rocks, sand, or coral, a defense and hunting strategy. It can extend an arm like a hidden hand to grasp prey without being noticed. Scientists discovered the octopus has both short-term and long-term memory, but its true brilliance is freedom. Without a skeleton to limit it, it can squeeze into tiny cracks and escape even the strongest predators. The octopus lives only 2 to 3 years, yet in that short time, it experiences a full life of creativity, deception, and wonder. And if you ask where its brain is, it won't point to a central location. Each arm acts independently, almost like 8 additional brains. It can perform 8 tasks simultaneously. It has 3 hearts, blue blood, and breathes oxygen. A skeletonless creature, yet more intelligent than many animals. Finally, consider the bee in the flower. Do you think pollination is equally beneficial for both? Number. Many people think it's a fair exchange. The bee gets nectar, the flower gets pollinated. But in reality, it's a chemical and psychological game. Some flowers trick bees, mimicking the scent of bee sex pheromones, or adding compounds like opium, caffeine, or nicotine into the nectar. The bees become addicted, returning to the same flower species even if there are others nearby with more food. Some flowers even lie. Their scent is real, their appearance authentic, but they offer no reward, manipulating the bee to work for free. Pollination is not a handshake. It's seduction, deception, and chemical manipulation. Next time you see a bee hovering over a flower, remember, the real winner in this relationship is you and me.